What's up everyone, Bravo here. Today we're gonna learn a simple pass and then the backhand pass. Maybe like this. So this is the basic from balisong or butterfly knife move. Just like this. And then if you want this to open here, you can do this. Okay. We start from here. You grab your balisong or butterfly knife, whatever. So you can open like this, swing to the right. You can catch the right swing, just open it, then you swing again, which you turn around your balisong knife like this, and then you backward, you catch like this. Right. If you want to ice pick, it's very simple. Just like this. Okay. Okay. We start from here. Open it. Turn around. Backward. And then backward. Catch. Grab. Grab. Turn around. Just like this. If you want to close, like this. It's very simple.